Hey, guy here to give you a quick look and first impressions on this camcorder. Instruction manual. Here's how it looks when you open the box. Let's get a look at the main unit itself right here. Really cool bag, nice and durable feel. Again, packaged really nicely too. It's got a battery in there already. Let's take a look and see if we have juice. We may have to charge it. We'll see about that. Some might need a charge. Sometimes these things come with a charge, sometimes they do not. And this one we're gonna give it some juice. We'll put that on the charger. Let's take a look at what else we have there. Speaking of the charger, there it is. Looks like we get an extra battery too, so you got two batteries for this. That's always nice. That's what they look like. There's our microphone with separate instructions on how to utilize this. There's the jack. It's going to plug right into the camera itself. There's the charging bay for the batteries. Charge them both at the same time. And our lens hood. Of course, you can control everything too via this remote. There's a control panel for that. Alright guys, so I'm going to get this on the charger, give it some juice, and we'll see how well it works. And I'll write some words on it too. Thanks for checking it out.